Hi ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome to our channel. Well, in this particular video, we are going straight to Rocky Rabbit and withdraw our funds. Okay, so if you participated in this project called Rocky Rabbit, that is sometime last year, then as we all know, every month they used to unlock some portion of our token, and our February reward has already been unlocked. Let me just say our February salary has been activated. So all we have to do now is to head straight to the bot and withdraw our funds to our wallet, as easy as that. Okay, so if you take a look at my dashboard right here, I'm already under in my wallet session. So I'm already on that wallet session, and you guys can see the total asset that I still have right here. So we have been pulling our funds from here every month. Okay, if I click on this particular place that they wrote Rabbit coin, RBTC, then we'll see how many times left for us to push. So guys, let me scroll up. Okay, this is it. As you guys can see, we successfully withdrew this particular one. Then this one was burnt. We withdrew this one, withdrew this one. So this particular one has already been unlocked for us. That's why you guys can see that this particular key is already open. So we have to go straight ahead and withdraw our tokens. Okay, so after this particular one, the next unlock will be on the 23rd of February again. So you guys should probably stick around, because as we all know, once they unlock it and you don't really act fast in withdrawing, they are going to burn it. Okay, and we don't really want them to burn our funds. All right, so after withdrawing today being the 12th of February 2025, we still have another withdrawal on the 23rd of February 2025. Okay, so you guys should stay tuned. As we all know, every month withdrawal comes with its own conditions or terms and condition criteria or whatever. In some months they will allow us to withdraw freely. In some months they will a kind of request us to play game before we can be able to withdraw. So if you click on this button, once you open your Rocky Rabbit, just make sure you are under wallet right here. Once you're under wallet, you click on this place that I wrote claim now, and you guys will see. Okay, sorry, I'm receiving a call, guys. You guys should give me a few time. All right, we just have to proceed. So when you click on this button that they wrote claim now, okay, so I tap on claim now, you guys will see they say play a game to qualify. So this particular withdrawal in this February, they are requesting us to play a game before we can be able to withdraw our token. So this is what you should do. You come to this particular place that they wrote P to E, which is play to earn. You tap on the button, then you wait for them to bring out the game session. All right, so this is the game session. You just have to give it a few minutes for them to load it up. Okay, so what this really entails is just that you have to predict the market. They are predicting Bitcoin right here, BTC /USDT. So you just have to predict either BTC will go up or it will go down. But it doesn't really matter whether you get it right or wrong. You just have to make a prediction. Okay, so you just have to make a prediction whether right or wrong. You are good to go. All right, so we just have to proceed with the prediction, and for you to be able to play this game, you need to have some assets right here. You guys can see my balance right here is 0. Okay, you need to have any assets. So you click on this place that they wrote RBTC. You can see that you can play the game with either your RBTC or with your USDT. All right, so if you have some RBTC in your wallet, then you can proceed and deposit some amount of RBTC right here. Then you can be able to play the game with it, and also you can still play this game with other assets as well. So you click on wallet right here. You can play the game with any of these assets, anyone that you have. You just have to fund it right here. Then you play the game with it, and you can be able to withdraw it after playing the game. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm already in the game session. So let me assume that I want to predict up. Let's just see this. I don't have any token right here, so I will click on up. You guys will see what they write. You can see minimum amount not reached, so I need to have some amount of RBTC before I can be able to play this game. So initially we have been able to perform some tasks and get some of the RBTC that we used to play the game, but as you guys can see, there's no new task right here. So every task in this particular session has already been performed. So the only way out now is to make sure you fund your particular RBTC bot with some amount of RBTC token. So I believe that as we have been withdrawing, we still have some amount of RBTC in our wallet. All right, I don't really know for you guys, but for me, I still have some quantity of RBTC in my wallet. So if you don't really have, you can reach out to me, then we'll see how we can sort it out. Okay, so now all I have to do is to come back to this wallet session and fund my RBTC. Okay, this particular one is locked and we cannot do anything right here. So all I have to do is to click on this deposit button right here. Then I will choose. I hope you guys are following me step by step. Sorry guys. So once you're in your wallet right here, then you come to deposit to put some RBTC in your wallet. You click on deposit, you choose Rabbit coin. So this is the address that we are going to fund. All right, so you just put the amount right here. The minimum amount of fund is 1,000 RBTC. Okay, It doesn't really matter. You can fund any amount you want. After withdrawing and everything, you can be able to withdraw all your tokens. Okay, so make sure that this particular wallet right here is the one that you are going to fund from. So hope you guys can see. If you send an amount, you can truly read this to see what they are talking about. Sorry guys, if you send an amount less than the minimum deposit, it will not be added to your wallet. You are only allowed to send coins through the connected wallet. If you send from other wallets or make deposit through exchanges, the funds will not be added to your account. So you guys should take a proper note of this. Okay, so make sure you are funding from this particular wallet, the one that you connected. So this is all I have to do. My wallet is already here, so all I have to do is just to put the amount of RBTC that I really want to fund, then I will proceed. So I'll be funding 10,000 RBTC in my wallet. So I will put the amount. Then the next thing is to generate transaction. Then it will take me to my tonkeepper where I will initiate the transaction. So you just have to give them a few time to do that. So it's already redirecting me to my tonkeepper because that was the wallet that I connected to my RBTC. Okay, so you just have to give it some time, guys. Let them initiate the transaction. So you can see confirm the transaction in tonkeepper. It will take only few moments. Then I'll click on open wallet. Then we'll proceed. Okay, so you just have to give them some time. You just have to give them some time for them to load it up. Alright, so all we have to do now is to just slide this button. You guys can see that they are requesting a gas fee of $0.14. So you just have to make sure you have little amount of ton in your wallet. So I just have to slide this button. Okay, then I will verify my wallet with my fingerprint. Then wait for them to trigger the transaction. You guys can see done right here. Then it will take us back to our page where they will confirm everything for us. Okay, so you just have to give them a few time for them to do their thing. So we have already made the transaction. You just have to give them a few time. Then we proceed, guys. Okay, you can see right here, transaction has been successfully created, which simply means that our wallet has already been funded. So if you come back to your wallet here, then you have to click on this button so that you will refresh everything. Okay, so I think you guys can see what I really have right here. Sorry, click on this button. Sorry, this particular place that they wrote value, you click on it and you refresh, and you will see everything will be refreshed right now. Okay, so let's go back to the play to end button. Let's see if our RBTC has been deposited. So you just have to give them a few time. They have not deposited it, so you just have to give them a few time so that it will be refreshed. Alright, I don't really know. I think they are taking much time for them to update our wallet. I've given them a few seconds and our RBTC is not yet activated. So I think maybe it's due to traffic and server. Okay, so let me just slide down to Toncoin because I think I have a few cents of Toncoin. I don't really know if it's gonna be enough, but let me just try with it. So I will click on 50% right here. Then let me just predict the market up. Let's see if they will accept it. Okay, so I'll predict the market up as well. Okay, I think they have already accepted my Toncoin transaction right here, so we just have to wait for the countdown to elapse. All right, then we can see if it plays or not. Then we proceed with our exercise. So all I know is that the reflection of our RBTC is due to high traffic in the server. So if you have some amount of any crypto right here, then you can make use of it. It doesn't really mean that you should make use of RBTC only. You can make use of other assets right here. Okay, so let's just give them some time. Then after the countdown, we'll see how it goes. Alright, they have already logged the trade. They have already logged the trade. So let's wait and see how it goes, guys. Okay, so a few seconds to go. Let's see what's up. Okay, they say I lost. They say I lost the trade, but that doesn't really mean, like I said earlier, whether you won or you lose, it doesn't really matter. The only important thing is just to make sure that you take a trade. Okay, it simply means that I predicted up and Bitcoin went down. So this is my take right here. Even up till now, our okay, hope you guys can see, like I said earlier, is due to traffic. So the RBTC that I deposited earlier has already reflected. So you just have to deposit and give them few time before they will trigger it. So now I just have to proceed and withdraw everything in my wallet. Okay, so now that we have taken the game, now that we have played the game, the next thing is to come back to our wallet. Then click on wrap Bitcoin right here. Wait for them to bring it up. Then you click on claim. As simple as that. You can see your vesting is unlocked successfully. All right, so they have already unlocked it, and you can see that the claim button has already been activated. All right, so the next thing now is to head straight to the withdraw button and withdraw it. So after claiming, your job is not done, you have to withdraw it again. So now we've unlocked it, we just have to proceed to this withdraw button right here. I'll click on withdraw, click on rabbit coin. Okay, so they say the available right here is how many? Let me click on maximum. Okay, they have not added this particular one that I just unlocked now, so I just have to wait for them to add it. This particular one is the one that I just deposited. Okay, so I just have to wait for them to unlock it, then we'll proceed. All right, so I think I have to refresh my assets. I have to refresh my assets. You guys should take note of this. It's very, very important. So let me refresh my assets. Let's see how it goes. All right, then I'll go back to rabbit coin. Sorry guys, I'll go back to withdraw button. I'll click on rabbit coin. Oh, now you guys can see that my total token has already been activated right here. So I just have to hit on the maximum button, and you guys can see everything right here. Then the next thing is just to hit on this particular place that they wrote send code, and they will send me a code in my Telegram bot. I'll hit on send code. You guys can see Telegram code has been sent successfully. So I just have to minimize it down right here so that I will see the code. This is the code that they sent for me, 517858. I'll go back, 517858. Okay, so I will hit on confirm withdraw. Beautiful guys, you can see withdrawal has been successfully completed. So after you've gotten it this way, then you are good to go. You've done everything that you're supposed to do. Then you still refresh your button right here. You have done everything. Once you have withdrawn your tokens, you have done everything. All you have to do is just to come to this upper button right here to see the transaction details. Click on this button right here, then you click on withdraw, then you will see it. Okay, you guys can see what we just withdrew now is pending. Okay, this particular one is in our wallet, this one is in our wallet. So this particular one is already pending because we have already made the withdrawal. So once they activate it, you will get it in your wallet immediately. Okay, pass like that. This is just how to go about it, guys. Try to watch this video carefully so that you will get all the step-by-step guide. So you guys really saw the process that I went through in depositing, playing with my toncoin and the coin reflecting. So if you deposit RBTC or any other token, give it some time for it to reflect before you proceed. Then go ahead and unlock your RBTC, then withdraw to your wallet. As simple as that. So I'm just waiting for them to drop it in my wallet now. I don't really have to do anything again. Okay, so that is just how to go about it, step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your February salary from RBTC project. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I know this video has been long, but for us to pass value, we just have to see how it goes. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Thank you all for staying tuned. Until I come your way next time, take action immediately after watching this video, and I will see you guys in our next video. Till then, bye for now and stay safe.